Hello students, I Ms. Pooja Kalange, Assistant Professor IISMR MCA, welcome you to this video lecture series on chapter 6, that is data mining techniques. Students, we have already covered chapter number 7, which was related to information retrieval, and we've also covered chapter number 5, I have just posted the revision lectures of chapter number 5 in the YouTube channel. So after this I thought I should also cover the chapter number 6 as it will be useful for you while preparing for exams. So today I have started with this video series. Soon I'll be posting the further videos on this topic, so you'll get all the 3 chapters for reference from these videos, and this will help you in your studying. So let's begin for today. Data mining is very important chapter if you consider in terms of your ADBMS syllabus, but the main thing in this case is the theory questions asked are very less, but the problems asked to you are more on this. So already I have covered the problems on k-means algorithm, FP tree and a priori algorithm. You let me know that if you want the video lectures on the problems also, so I can cover the video lectures on the problems too. So let's begin. So today we will be covering the basic concepts of the association concepts. Then we'll be seeing frequent item sets mining methods, then which are the pattern mining techniques, and finally we'll be seeing the summary. So basically, what is frequent pattern? Frequent pattern is nothing but a pattern which occurs randomly, subsequently, or for a number of times. So this will actually be the basis of association rule mining. We'll be able to find the regularities between some sequence. Like for example, you want to find which products are often purchased together, what are the subsequent purchases after buying PC. Means for example, someone buys mobile, what is the frequency that he will buy a headphone or maybe some mobile cover, or which DNA is sensitive to some new drug, or can we automatically classify a web document. So these are the pattern analysis or the applications where we can think about this. So actual application comes in the market basket analysis. Like this will help you to identify the customer patterns of purchasing, and then you can decide your business criteria on that. Then also you can decide what is cross marketing strategy to be used, what catalog design should be done, and what sales campaign analysis should be made based on this frequent pattern analysis. And it is also used in biological techniques like DNA sequence analysis. Now, why is frequent pattern important is because it is very essential foundation of various data mining tasks. That is, if you want to find association, correlation, or causality analysis, that is in the research methodology, it will help you in this case. Then you can find out the sequential and the structural patterns. Then you can make the pattern analysis of the temporal multimedia databases. Then you can help association can help you in classification patterns. It can help you in cluster analysis. Then it can help you in data warehousing. Then it can help you in semantic data compression. So you can just remember that association or the frequent pattern mining has lot amount of applications or broader terms of application. So the basic concept of frequent patterns involves an item set. Like there is some item set which is having some number of items, so we will name it as k item set, where it is having numbers maybe from x1 to xk. Now in these two things are important whenever you may get a question of market basket analysis. So in that case you need to explain what is support and what is confidence. So support is the frequency of occurrence of some item, whereas a relative support is said to be that the fraction of transaction that contain x, and this relative support is also said to be the confidence part. Okay, so if you see here this program, it is, or the example which is given here, items brought. So you can see here beers, nut, diaper. The beer diaper problem is a classic problem which is covered in this frequent pattern mining. So you can see here you have to check the count of the every item. Means for example, if you see here beer is occurring how many times? In this case it is occurring 3 times. So the count of beer in the transactions total is 3. If you see nuts is occurring also 3 times. Then diaper is occurring 4 times. So these are the occurrence of that particular item. So after this comes the concept of finding the rules. Now if you want to make some association, you want to make some rule that if I purchase something, then there is there may be a probability of purchasing that case. That is, if a condition is of if x then y. So this will have minimum support and confidence. So support will be what? Probability of transactions which contain x union y, and confidence, which is that conditional probability where a transaction is having X will also contain the transaction Y. So in this case, you'll require the minimum support and the minimum confidence count. If you remember, I've already covered a problem on this, that was apple, dates, coconuts, and one was, I guess, on bread, cheese, milk, juice. You can just check your notebooks out. I've taken this problem in the class. So the next from this is you need to divide some association rules. Like for example, if a person purchases beer, he may purchase the diaper, or if a person purchases diaper, he may purchase beer. So in this case, you need to find the support value and the confidence value. Okay, so this is the basic concept of finding association rule. Is you need to find out first what is the minimum support available to you, then you need to calculate what is the frequency of each and every item. If the support count is less for any item, you need to discard that item, and then you have to find out the confidence, and based on the confidence criteria, if the confidence sits in that particular criteria, then the rule is the valid rule for inference. Okay, so this is about the data mining, this was about the association rules. Now we'll be seeing in detail the a priori algorithm. Okay, so I'll stop here because this is the basic introduction for the association rule. In next part, I'll be covering the a priori algorithm, and the next, that is FP tree algorithm in the association rule. So you just have a glimpse on this and try to solve the problems when I'll be explaining the a priori and the FP tree algorithm, because that is the most important question which is asked in the exam. So I hope you are clear with the basic of why you need to have association rules. So I thank you for watching the video, and if you like this video, please give the thumbs up for this video too. Thank you.